don't go, I said. Bad idea, I said. But would you listen? No, don't listen to Batty. Well, what have we here? Shoes. Shoes. A human!
A tree!
Oh!
To commemorate your arrival, I propose a reverent ceremony at dawn.
Then perhaps I could prepare a glorious feast for you tonight.
Which would you prefer?
Both is good.
My lords. And so dawns the age of the Jaguar. Happy New Year.
Hey. Hey. Hey, hey.
Take anything you want. I won't tell the cops.
Are you alright?
I'm fine.
It's an entire city.
What is going on here?
A monster tried to eat you.
Monster?
Load up
My friend and I saved you.
Get the hell out of here.
Oh, Daddy.
We'll be living like kings. Miguel and Tulio. Tulio and Miguel, mighty and living like kings. Miguel and
Sonic
Tulio. Tulio and
interference, what
Miguel,
a
mighty
nightmare.
and powerful
I thought I
gods.
saw a human.
Miguel and Tulio. Tulio and Miguel, mighty and powerful gods.
That's important.
Yes!
Depart, mortal. Before we...
Oh, Sonic interference, what a nightmare. I thought I saw a human.
here.
Tulio, we'll be living like kings. Miguel and Tulio. Tulio and Miguel, mighty and powerful gods. Depart, mortal.
That's a human?
Before we
Yes!
strike you with lightning bolt.
Something!
Beware the wrath of the gods. Be gone.
Something for the high priest, honey. You're gonna need it.
Puff up, they hate that.
Miguel.
Get back! Don't worry.
My only wish
I've
is
got it
to
scared.
serve the gods.
I have but one claw, but beware.
Will you both just calm down?
If you guys
He's
want to
trying
go,
to kill
then
you.
you don't want to get
I
caught,
did not.
right?
You did.
Going to
Hold on!
Sure,
The
what
only
makes you
thing
think we
that
need
tried
your
to
help?
kill anybody was that horrible monster in the forest.
Are you serious?
Monster? What monster?
The one that ate the tree.
Okay.
It was
so,
terrible.
Tree?
Who are you?
Yeah, what's your angle?
The leveler.
No angle.
Hey,
I want it.
am I
On this
dead?
game.
No.
We could fix that for you.
There's no scam. Why would you think there's a...
Then I must be
Why?
dreaming.
So I can get out.
Hey,
thought
Patrick,
you just said
remember,
you
we're
wanted
on an important mission here, so keep your eyes open for any suspicious characters.
SpongeBob. Does
Think we're
that
the only
guy
ones who
look
dream of better
suspicious
things?
to you?
Of adventure?
I think he might be spying on
Got
us.
your
Hey, where'd he
reasons.
go? All the suspicion is making me hungry.
It's not
Well,
like a
then
personal
follow
thing.
me to the dining car.
Business. So you guys are ready to go back
Looks
to...
like it's starting to
wherever
roll
you
my
come
way for a change.
I'm going-
And nothing dare stand in my way!
After all, I'm sure you know the proper rituals
I'd
for
make
blessing
it.
tribute, the holiest days on the calendar. Oh, and of course you know all about
Ooh,
Bubba.
Yeah, and they give you so much food, you need 2 forks.
See you at the execution.
Aw, what a cute little baby. No need to fuss, little fella.
I just can't get him to stop crying, the poor dear.
Deal?
Hi again, kind butler.
Deal.
Not yet.
So sorry, monsieur. The dining car is closed.
Well, then I suppose that means you'll want
Nope.
these back?
Ah, sure. And
How'd you get those?
what are you
Where
supposed
is
to
she
be? Some
keeping
kind of fairy?
Of course
Call
I
me
am.
Chal.
What
Your
about
new
you?
partner.
Are you really a
That's
human?
partner in
Last
training.
time I
Now
checked.
put these on.
Listen,
It's waiting.
fairy. It's been weird, but I'm out of here. This dream is history.
Do you mind?
Now.
But we haven't even heard the special yet.
No, the dining car is over for you. You must leave now!
Oh, sorry, ma'am.
That's quite all right, handsome.
Oh, friendly lady. Well, Patrick, we better find a safe place to store this for the night.
Wait a minute.
What is that?
That, my dear Patrick, is the key!
Just for a second,
Where's the
imagine
key? Oh, no, I took a Solomos. London! You stole the safety deposit key.
Oh, come on, I just got here. I couldn't have stolen it. Yes.
Oh,
Get the
yeah?
gold, go
Well,
back to
no offense, but I don't believe you.
You calling me a liar?
Yes. Search him, Patrick.
With pleasure. Prepare for a thorough search, Shorty. No dread. Just after I scrub this bowl.
Shell is off limits.
All right, Plankton. Time to squeeze the key out of you.
Besides, we're supposed to be gods.
After my tasty snack.
God. Oh. This is gonna be tougher than I thought.
Tulio, relax. All you have to do is smile, act godly, and follow my lead.
Give me a patty, man. Bother.
1, 2, 3.
I hardly qualified. Of course, all sanctified. I just don't come in with So what are you talking about? Where again they come then? Being worshipped is a breeze which rather suits us in interim.
It's me and him.
Oh my God! It's tough to be a god. Bred where mortals have not trod. Be deified when really you're a sham. Check this out. Be an object of devotion. Be the subject of song. It's a rather touching notion. All those prayers and those salams. And who am I to bridle if I'm forced to be an idol? If they say that I'm a god, that's what I am. What's more, I just can't seem to cut it back. With the locals, on my ravenous corruption. You're welcome, little snack. If my God ain't somebody, it might as well be great. Thank you.
Can you dig it? I can see you overstrength exotic.
It's tough to be a god, but if you get the people's nod, count your blessings, keep them sweet. That's our advice. It's great advice. Be a symbol of perfection. Be a legend. Be a cult. Take their praise. Take a collection as the multitudes exult. Don a supernatural habit. We'd be crazy not to grab it. You got it. So sign on to New Gods for Paradise.
It's just like chicken.
He's my friend.
Man, you owe me a free dinner after this one.
Are you okay?
What happened to me? Good morning.
Oh, I shrank you.
You what?
Well, it was the most amazing thing. Of course, it's not
Now,
what
it's my turn.
supposed to do. But Magi Loon will fix you.
The gods have awakened without a panic. No need to get excited now. We want our patties, man. That's crusty crab property. That's a low-bearing column.
Gonna be good.
Hurry, SpongeBob.
Thank you.
This city has been
As you
granted a
know,
great
an
blessing.
unspeakable crime
what
has
have
been
we
committed
done?
here today. And each of you had the means to do it. The question is,
Celebration.
you there?
The gods
You're
deserve
not fooling
a
me with
proper
that
tribute.
innocent act. Where were you at 6:42 p.m. on the night of January 16th? And don't you give me that goo-goo gaga stuff.
Oh, brother.
Beginning of a new
Mr.
era.
Police Commissioner?
Yes,
The dawning
Mr.
of a new
Squarepants.
age.
I submit to you that the perpetrator of this heinous theft is none other than the nanny.
I haven't stolen a thing.
Sir, if you search this baby's diaper, you'll find the stolen key.
Yes, Mr. Squarepants. Aha!
The key!
At last, I found it! Thank you, Mr. Squarepants. You uncovered Neptune's Jewel of the Sea and nabbed the infamous Jewel Triplets gang.
Triplets?
I told you taking the train was a mistake.
Well, we wouldn't be on the lam if you hadn't applied for that discount card.
Well, can I help it if I'm frugal?
Tell it to your cellmate, Junior.
If they didn't do it, that means the key was stolen by the butler.
Do it.
I certainly did not.
We know you did it. The butler always commits the crime.
For the last time, I am not a butler. I don't even have the butler accent.
You may not be a butler. Don't worry about it. But are you a werewolf? He's human. Give.
My lord, may the people of El Dorado offer you our tribute.
Just know that if we get torn to bits, I'm blaming you.
I'm blaming.
You shrank me?
Yeah.
Catches on quick, doesn't it?
Well, we better buzz
Yes,
off.
very nice.
It's getting late.
Buzz off? I'm not buzzing anywhere.
The gods
no,
have
unshrink me, and I
chosen.
mean now.
Well, I guess I could take a bash at it.
Take a bash?
Actually, I'm just sort of learning.
Wait, I've been shrunk right out. Okay, come on, bash away.
Okay. What was done, now undo. Return you to the form that's true.
Big ear. Elk.
Angel.
Anteater. What are they doing? Orangutan. Okay, let me get the. Oh, wait. Oh, it's Darwin's crab bag.
Let me try again.
Yes.
No.
Excuse me.
Thank you, but I think maybe we better go see this Magi.
They wish to
I'm
bask
Zach.
in the reverence that has been shown them.
It's Magi.
Let me try again.
Yes.
No. Thank
They
you,
wish
but I
to
think maybe we
bask.
better go see this Magi.
Take the tribute to the gods' temple.
I'm Zach.
I'm Krista.
Nice to meet you.
You're going to love Ferngully. It's the most beautiful, wonderful place in the forest. Well, come on. A baddie can carry you.
Moi? Not this little mammal. Fly a human. I'd rather suck wax fruit.
Smooth.
What did I do?
Seriously, what did I say? What did I do?